Well, here I am out in my nice cold garage today because I need to do something on this J71 GE radio I've been working on. And the only way to get this switch out of here, and also I need part of this shaft so that I can use an extension to get it onto my other new switch. I'm going to have to go ahead and hacksaw it off. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here as far as to hacksaw the shaft off the switch. And move camera over, and let's see what we can see. Let's see, yeah, maybe. Well, the angle's right. Let's see, I don't know if I can maybe zoom in a little bit, maybe, so you can see the shaft. And back this up a little bit more. There. It's that shaft up on the top is what we're looking at. And yeah, I don't know if this is going to work because, well, we'll see. Let me get my hands out of the way. Yeah, I get over on this side. Yeah, by hand. When I say by hand, I really mean by hand. The shaft is on this is fine, but it's just not contacting the switch at all. So, of course, the only way I'm going to be able to do this is I'm going to have to go ahead, cut this down, see if I can push it through enough to at least loosen the rest of the shaft up so that I can get this out of here. This is about as good as watching paint dry, or epoxy dry, as I was telling Doug the other day. Of course, in my case, epoxy around here doesn't dry very quick because I was using some stuff my dad had, and it was probably 30 years old. So yeah, it doesn't set up really well. So I finally had to get rid of it. But some things from Dad are fine. I got a lot of his tools and stuff, but some things, yeah, not just as good. Boy, this thing is a pretty tough shaft, actually. I'm not getting in there very far. I'm going to try another hacksaw. Hold on. Yeah, I got another hacksaw. I think that blade's probably kind of dull anyway. I mean, it works, but not good enough. So, we'll see if this will work any better. Try to do this and hold on to this thing at the same time as Margaret. I can't really hold it in a vise. It's too much to try to figure out anyway. So, let's see. Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll do it this way. Of course, I don't think you guys can see anything. Long stroke. Remember, long stroke. Yeah, about halfway there. And of course everything else is moving. But it's going better. Now, some people are probably cringing right now. What's he doing? He's cutting that. Well, shoot, I can't reuse this thing anyway. I gotta put a new one in because the old one's totally impossible to repair. Try to keep the stuff original as possible, but I think it's going to be original in this thing. There's going to be coils and some other stuff. For the most part, yeah. The rotary switch got it. It fights me. It fights me. No, there's no tubes in it right now. At least I got more taken out. Let's see, how far do we get it? Oh, it's just about ready to go. It's about ready to go. Just about there. Here we go. Well, not too bad. I'll have to grind that down a bit, but let's see if you guys can see that. Yeah, cut it off. Yeah, I should be able to pop that through now. Get a better look at what I'm looking at on the switch too, because really couldn't tell before. So let me get in there closer and back up on the zoom. Let's back up on the zoom so I can get a closer shot anyway. Alright, so now I've taken a shaft out, but you can see that is just a total disaster there. But it's the only way I'm going to be able to get this thing out. Plus, get a better look at where the switch is, because, I mean, it is so busted up. I mean, it is just not funny. Look at that. Look at this thing. Yeah. It says the only thing that's holding this thing is this bottom deck. And even then, that's still, you can see real close there, it's still broken away from the shaft. The only thing that's holding it together is right there. And it's soldered, all the wires are soldered to this coil, so that's why it's holding in place. So I got to go ahead and do some more work on that. But anyway, now you see me cut a shaft off. Next thing I got to do is splice this thing together. I have other shaft extensions so that I can put it on the other new rotary and can reinstall it in this after I figure out how to get this one out of here. So anyhow, that'll be it for now. We'll come back at some time here, and I don't know if we'll be working on this, but probably checking out the Commodore 128 circuit board probably next. Anyhow, that'll be it for now. See you guys later.